DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
So that, you see me have to start support the thing and, you know, if you get to me, I say, but yeah man, I feel like artists them now, in Jamaica, in Trinidad, in St. Kitts, in Ghana, Nevis, what me I left for? Cayman, Dominic, Antigua, what me I left for? You see me? I think you have to start looking into it and realize, say, yo, the CMA is there. We got one thing, album of the year, artist of the year, feature of the year. You see me? All of them things they know is up for grabs. It's not just the Grammys when they say, yo, oh, best dancer song, and that's it. You see me on the gun, our video, you know, and that's it. I want somebody. No, we have categories out there we have to fight for. You see me? I say, yeah, man. So we get to work and do nothing. But yeah, man, we're gonna talk about next topic and jump on anything. But I say, yo, just like you go say, take the CMA seriously. As yo, as a musician, it's always help to have things, you know. It's just like a trophy, you know. You can say, yo, me win the CMAs. It's me just like us kid can say you have the mobile awards. I think Sken gets best new artist. Sken get best new artist. Mastica get best album. What else? Spice get what? Artist of the year. I forgot female artist of the year. I forgot what Spice got. Carter got artist of the decade. They honored Barry Salmon. They honored Marshall Montano. So all of them things there is up for grabs, man. I don't need to take it seriously and work towards that. You see me I say? That's all I'm gonna say. Take it seriously. You see me I say? But yeah, man. Let's jump in on the next track. This one named Skippa, December. This one is requested by How It Go. I say Bungie Garland, Big Bad Swoker. Yeah, man. This one was requested by How It Go. Skippa, December. I check it out. Yo, this is one of few skippers that I haven't listened to. You know what I'm saying? There's only 3 skippers that I haven't heard, and this is one of them. I don't know how they want to slip past me. So let's jump right in it. This is Skippa, December, OG Babino. You don't know. Let's get this way down, dude.
Yeah, MVG.
That's a Bob Records.
Yeah,
Cool December. I want to them. Jeez and peace. You see me? I say, by the way, December coming up. So, shit. December coming up. We're going to be bumping this in December, man. Come on, again.
Cool December. Bunny line, me go use my temper. Dog, is like them now remember. Me turn the block in a calling center. Dog, is like my owner's Fargo. And if the money now, make them a nago. Yo, Bob, you know see me a call, you got a skull on the line.
Okay, I like this offbeat rapping he's doing type shit. I see what he's doing right here. I wonder how the beat going so
right now from Chicago. Dog, chop a bomb in 9 years. Any go say me buck him up here. Chop the line, jog foot on God in 9 place. Look you not change, just stand in 9 ways. Dog, it's like me born for sin. Me make a million, me go do it again. Now me alone, pan the villa, me no.
Okay, I see what dog do. I like that one, the dog. You know what I'm saying?
All no friend me and it up a portal pan
the bass and the drums, not too much melody.
I'm room up pre-dark, you know me no watch the media. Me still a bang, still a thief, boy, food mocha. Can't stop me, need a student in the game and a
last camp that chat with Mocha, if you sit back and watch, brother, I ain't stopping this game.
Me still a bang, still a thief, boy.
I say Tony Black in a one call center, you know that. I'm telling man.
Food mocha, can't stop me, need a student in the game and a fucking teacher. Bob deal with the ground like a fucking feeler. Nah bang, you nah killer, just a fucking bleacher, bird.
Student in the game and a fucking teacher, man. Like a fucking feeler.
Teacher Bob deal with the ground like a fucking feeler. Nah bang, you nah killer, just a fucking bleacher. Bertis put a nude up on the creature. Dog, yeah, and a killer life if you don't know. Boy feel him a chopper when him in a polo. His keeper ever got him at
that's a fact. Some of them have them blood polo and them when the blood psycho bunny and they feel them a chopper dog.
Life if you don't know, boy feel him a chopper when him in a polo. His keeper ever got him a tick pango. Look at you, 2, 3, 4, him ever touch a stage show. And ask him now, bang, you shoulda never say so.
Man, so reach before me touch a stage show, you know, brother. You see me and say, that's why this man is scamming over music, you know.
Baby, you want rich dog, you know the thing go. Yeah. You know the thing go. Hold up on the game and me nah let go. Yeah, nobody face your rhyme. If I no music, me gone pan the line, locked down in I boost, call a call set time. Something wrong with it.
So no feel say I rhyme, in the dog. Now I'm music in up on the line, me the energy. You see me I say, yeah man.
You like you can't stop grind, dog. Yeah, you're not for ask the time, you know we live by code, so we hard to find. Yeah, the beam my gear down from a quarter mile. Me never see so much here till me start to shine. Yeah, a couple link, but I can't too sure. She want fuck, but my can't on the phone. Used to call every day, she not call.
She want this. See me I say, but man, yeah, we gotta get that cash, you know what I'm saying?
I know more, but me rather dead single before me dead poor. Yeah, before me dead
That's a
poor.
vibe, but rather dead sing before me dead poor, dog. Nah, sir. Born poor, but now dead poor, you know what I'm saying?
Before me dead poor. Gone outdoor.
MVG.
Yeah, man, this was different. It gave you a more acapella vibes. You know what I'm saying? From with the beat, not very like, not too much like I would say like string and not too much melody. When it comes to the beat, just the drums and the so that a choppy beat. You see me choppy? I talk about chopping while I choppy beat. You see me? I say, yeah, man. So shout out to Skippa, bro. That was dope. You know what I'm saying? Skippa was doing the thing on the December. Yeah, man, I definitely bump the one in December, you know. So when December come around, gang, just go up on IG, go and see me. You see me, I say, lit. I'm be bumping December in December. You see me, I say, that's gonna be our little inside joke, gang. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that was Skippa, December, dope track. Skippa, let me tell you, so Skippa, up and coming, bro. This man going blow, bro. You see me, already a dream thing, dog, a solid track. You got a solid little catalog he put together so far. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man.